Okay, so we have a 2018 F-150. It was involved in an accident. They did all the repairs, the body repairs, and because of the accident, the steering wheel airbag deployed. They just replaced it, and then the module, it has to be reset because the airbag light is on. So I'm gonna show you that the airbag light is on. So you can see the light went off and now it's back on, and that's because of the accident. The module registered that accident and we have to reset that module. And I will show you, it's gonna be super easy. I'm gonna keep the car running and then we're gonna go and look for the OBD2 plug, which it should be right here. Then we're gonna connect the OBD2, and then I got my scanner here. I'm gonna set the term. I'm gonna go to airbag reset. I'm gonna press enter. I'm gonna choose auto detect. Yes. Now it's gonna looking for the part number for this particular module, and you can see that's the part number for the particular module that this truck used. Yes. Now it's matching that part number with the module itself, the programming inside within the module, just to make sure that we're talking about the right module for this truck with the right programming. And there you go. That's okay. Okay. Now we're gonna read the codes. And it says driver forward airbag level 1 deploy control, driver front stage 2 unfolding control, occupant classification system, collision event store is full and locked. And this is the one that we want to work on. So we press OK. We have to go here, number 5, which says advanced, and then we want to read the EEPROM. Pretty much what that means is that we want to read the data inside the module. The scanner was able to read the entire data, so that means that the module is good. All it needs is to be resetted, and this is the file that we're gonna save with all that data. We save that file, and the reason why we save that file is because we need that file. We need to reprogram the same module with the same file, the same information, but without the crash event. So we press OK, we save, we're good. Now we have to turn off the vehicle for 30 seconds. And then after the 30 seconds are passed, you don't have to turn on the truck. I like to turn it on just because I can use the AC because it's extremely hot. And then we turn off back the vehicle, press OK. Now I go back, and then I go back again, and then I'm gonna erase the crash data. And it's gonna ask me if the EEPROM has been executed. It's asking me if I already download the data from the module, and the answer is yes. It's okay. Now we have to choose that file, which is the file that we saved earlier. We press OK, we press OK again, and now the erase crash in file. So now it's trying to identify deleting everything from the module, including the crash event, and it's gonna reprogram the module without that crash event. Erase crash in file success. So the crash has been completely deleted. We press OK, and now it's gonna reprogram the module again, but without the crash event. The operation is successful. We press OK. Now we have to do the same thing, turn off the vehicle for about 30 seconds. About 30 seconds passed by already. Come back on the truck. We press OK. Now we go back. Now we go to erase DTCs. All the DTCs has been deleted. Now we press again, read DTCs. And now we see there is occupant classification system. There's 1 because the steering wheel has not been secured yet, but you can see we have no crash data no more. So the crash data event has been completely deleted, and this module has been resetted. As soon as they finish putting everything back together where it belongs, we will have that airbag light completely off. Okay, everything has been removed and changed. Let's turn it on and see if we have an airbag light or not. Now it's on and it should go off, and now it's completely off. So it worked. The module has been reset and everything has been done.